Hello, how can I help you? Do you accept walk-ins? Yes, we do, but you may have to wait a little bit. Are you a new patient? Yes. How much do you charge for an acupuncture session? Well, it depends on what you need and for how long. Our fees are listed here in this brochure. Okay, thank you. How much do you charge for a massage? We charge $60 an hour and $35 for half an hour. How much do you charge for a session? $60 per hour. How much do you charge for a session? Well, we don't charge per session. We charge by the type of treatment you need. For example, for lower back pain, we typically charge about $45 to $75. Hello, may I help you? Yes, I have an 11:30 appointment. Okay, great. We'll be right with you. Thank you. Hi, can I help you? Hello, I have a 3 o'clock appointment for today. Okay, great. And what is your name? Charles. Okay, Charles. Please have a seat and we will call you when we're ready. Hello, my name is Dr. Watanabe. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm doing very well, thank you. So, what seems to be the problem today? Well, my right shoulder has been bothering me. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's take a look. Does it hurt when you move it? Yes, but it's a dull pain. Yes, it's a sharp pain. Yes, and the pain radiates to my neck. How long have you had this pain? It's been about a week. Since about a week ago. Please lie down here. Can you raise your arm? Not very high. Please raise your arm as far as you can before you start to feel pain. So, what's going on? I've been having lower back pain since 2 days ago. Do you know what caused this pain? Well, I think it was when I tried to lift a heavy box. So, how can I help you today? I've been feeling some tightness in my neck when I woke up this morning. So, how can I help you today? After playing tennis yesterday, I noticed that my legs were very sore, but now I feel soreness on my lower back. So, how can I help you today? For some reason, my right elbow feels numb. I can't feel anything. So, how can I help you today? I've been feeling some discomfort in my stomach for about 3 days now. I feel nauseous every day. So, what's going on? When I walk, it feels like I'm walking on pins and needles. I have a pins and needles feeling at the bottom of my feet. So, what's going on? When I stand up after sitting for a long time, I feel dizzy and I lose my balance. So, what's going on? I feel a dull ache on the left side of my head. It's not as bad as a headache, but it still bothers me. Okay, let's take a look. So, how can I help you? I seem to be bruising easier than I used to, so I'm a little worried. So, how can I help you? I feel a hard bump on my head. I didn't fall or bump my head, so I'm a little worried. So, how can I help you? I was playing basketball yesterday, and I think I sprained my ankle. Please lie on your back. Please lie on your stomach. Please lie on your left side. Please lie on your right side. Please sit up straight. Please tilt your head up. Please tilt your head down. Please lean over and reach your toes. Please walk on your toes. Please walk on your heels. Okay, I'm going to prescribe you some medication. You can pick it up at your local pharmacy. Okay, thank you. Okay, Charles, that will be $50 for today. How will you be paying today? In cash. Thank you, and here is your receipt. Thank you. Would you like to make another appointment for a follow-up session? Do I have to? No, but the doctor recommends that you do. I see. Well, I'll just make an appointment another time. Would you like to make another appointment for a follow-up session? Do I have to? No, but the doctor recommends that you do. I see. Okay then. If you continue to feel pain or discomfort after 1 week, please call us back for another appointment. Okay, will do. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. So here is the amount due for today. Okay, thank you. How would you like to take care of this today? Do you accept Visa? Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard.